Hi guys, I'm Keenan Kerner in Austin there, and today I'm going to do Are You a Horse, a Pony, or a Donkey? So, I already chose some answers right here, so it says, when is the last time you went horseback riding? I ride horses a few times a year, so I'm going to pick this one. If you're a donkey, which treat would you like the most? I'm going to pick, I don't eat hay. I think I should pick, I think I should pick carrot. I don't know. If you make a mistake, how quickly do you get back on the horse? I'm just gonna pick this one. Would you like a week at a dessert spot or a week on the hiking trail? Hiking. Hiking, I don't know. Probably like a game, like hiking games. I think I should. I like staying home, so I'm going to pick just gonna pick this one. How would your boss describe you when you are in a meeting? I'm quiet. What do you think is the best thing about being a cow? I'm just gonna pick this one. What kind of cowboy hat could you rock? Just gonna pick Oh, yeah, I'll never wear a cowboy hat. I'm just gonna pick that one because I never go on a desert and ride on horses, so I will never wear a cowboy hat because I do not go to a desert and ride horses, but at the Conant Lake Elementary School for my field trip, I ride horses and I wear a helmet. So yep, so I wear a helmet on horseback riding before at the Conant Lake Elementary School for my field trip, so I'm going to pick this one. Which horse-related phrase on your love life most like? It's like a Charlie horse. Oh, Charlie horse. Charlie horse is from Lamb Chop. It's a dog or a pony show. It's one horse town. You can let a horse water, but you can't make it drink. Well, horses have to drink. I'm just gonna do, it's like a, it's one horse town. I'm gonna pick, oh, yeah, horses have to drink. I'm just gonna click, it's one horse town. Are you the type who tells many jokes? It says I don't horse around like that. I'm just gonna pick this one. Which horse-related movie do you like the most? Just gonna pick this one. Are you in decent physical shape? It says, I am in great shape. I'm gonna pick this one. Would you enjoy being a veterinarian? Well, I think... What? A veterinarian? I don't know. I did not be a veterinarian, so I'm just gonna do... I don't know what veterinarian is. It might be a gross thing. I don't know. How do you talk? How do you walk when you're happy? I think I trot. Which breed of horse do you think is the most beautiful? I like Clydesdale horses because they're beautiful because they got furry hooves. Do you know how to groom a horse? Oh, I'm not going to be a mean dog groomer. I think I don't know how to groom a horse, but I'm just going to pick this one for now. So, do you prefer to work in teams or independently? I'm just going to do like being the boss. Which television western have you watched most often? Just gonna pick this one. Would you ever bet on a Kentucky Derby? No, I never been on this before, so I don't know how to do lottery. I'm just gonna do this one. What type of heart would your best friend say you have? Just gonna do sweet. What makes ponies so adorable? Well, ponies do bite. They bite people. So, I'm just gonna pick this one because ponies do bite. I love ponies though, but they bite. I think zebras don't bite. What type of pony car would you like to take for a spin? I'm going to pick... I know about cars, but I'm just gonna do this one. Mercury Cougar. Are you more emotional or more logical? I'm just going to do this one. Which animal creeps you out the most? Oh, pythons are scary. I'm going to pick python. Which character from the Jungle Book is your favorite? I'm going to pick King Louie. I'm a pony. When it comes to the Myers Briggs test, you rank as an S on an ESFJ. You're a true people person, and you are happiest when you can use your talents to assist others because of your willingness to be social and to provide for others. We think that you're the most like the pony. You might not stand as tall as a horse, but you have a friendly stature that speaks for itself. Okay, so I'm a pony, so yep, so here's the quiz. It's called Are You a Horse, a Pony, or a Donkey? So goodbye and have a good day.